Hello and welcome to the Pittsburgh Traveler. In today's video, it is a visit to Gettysburg National Cemetery. The Gettysburg National Cemetery is a historic site located in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. It is the final resting place for thousands of soldiers who fought and died in the Civil War. Today, we are going to take a closer look at this important landmark and pay our respects to those who gave their lives for their country. We begin our tour at the entrance to the cemetery. It was established in 1863 during the Civil War and completed in 1869. This cemetery serves as a memorial and a place of remembrance for the soldiers who made the ultimate sacrifice for their nation. Moving forward, we see rows and rows of headstones. This cemetery holds the remains of over 3,500 Union soldiers who perished during the three-day Battle of Gettysburg from July 1st to July 3rd, 1863. As we walk through the cemetery, we feel an extreme sense of reverence. It is beautiful and well maintained, with greenery and trees providing a peaceful and tranquil atmosphere. One important feature that stands out here is the Soldiers' National Monument. Dedicated in 1869, it is a towering 47-foot tall structure built to honor the soldiers who died during the battle. You will see it, as it is located in the center of the cemetery and serves as a reminder of the sacrifices made by these men. At the end of our tour, we come to the Gettysburg Address plaque. The Gettysburg Address was delivered by President Abraham Lincoln in 1863 at a dedication ceremony for this cemetery. The plaque features the famous speech, which is now inscribed on bronze. The Gettysburg National Cemetery is a powerful reminder of our nation's history and the sacrifices made by those who fought for our freedom. It is a place of quiet and reflection that inspires us to appreciate the efforts of the brave men and women who came before us. We hope you enjoyed our visit to this historic landmark and encourage you to visit the Gettysburg National Cemetery in person to pay your respects.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Pittsburgh Traveler today.